I'm out getting some much needed nature, and it's so beautiful here. All these amazing trees that I'm surrounded by. And I want to talk about acceptance versus resistance. I'm going to have an episode on this on the Multi-Passion Mentor podcast. But while we're here having this lovely walk, I thought, let's talk about it. Acceptance being the opposite of resistance. When you accept something, it means that you may not like it, you may not be okay with it, but you're aware that it happened, and you're doing your best to just be allowing and not have such a negative and strong reaction to it. So, when I talk about acceptance, there are various levels of acceptance. One of those being that, it happened, right? So you know that it happened and you accept that. And then another thing is knowing that it happened for a reason and that you don't know that reason, but you know that there is a reason and that you are going to step out of the way and allow what's happening to happen, whatever that might be. And just knowing that, like I said, it is what it is. So when you're not in resistance to it, you won't have as hard of a time, basically. I'm going to go more in depth on this topic, but I wanted to touch on it in a video as well. And I hope you'll pop over to the Multi-Passion Mentor podcast and listen to the episodes there, because there's a lot of very important topics that I'm talking about, and I feel like it'll resonate with all of the people that can relate to being multi-passionate, highly sensitive, entrepreneurs, people that maybe feel like they don't fit in, and those who have had a difficult time navigating situations, communications, relationships, and so on. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my walk in peace, and I'll leave you with those thoughts on acceptance versus resistance. And perhaps next time you're faced with a situation, you can rise above and look down on it from a broader perspective and try to have acceptance instead of resistance.